Hello everyone! So today, we are going to show you on how to disassembly and assembly your personal computer. And also, the problems that may encounter while disassembly and disassembly. So, let's go!
Sa pag-assemble at disassemble, lagi nating tatandaan ang ating kaligtasan. Kung kaya siguraduhin naka-turn off ang system unit at naka-unplug ang AVR. Remove all connectors. Remove the power supply. Remove the hard disk drive. Remove the RAM. Remove the heatsink. Remove the CPU or processor. Remove the video card. Remove the motherboard. Put the motherboard inside the case. install the processor. Put the heatsink on the top of the processor and pin it in the motherboard. Align the RAM to its socket. Put the video card inside the case. Put the hard disk drive inside the case. Put the power supply inside the case. Connect all connectors. And now, you can plug the power of the power cord and the other cables to the system unit.
The problem that may encounter while assembly and disassembly of a PC. Ito ang karaniwang may encounter habang nag-assembly or disassembly ng isang computer, lalo na kung first time mong gawin ito. Number 1. Not building on a large clear space. So, ang kailangan mong gawin is maghanap ng malaking space na mapagtatrabawan mo, gaya na lamang ng large table. While building your system, there's a lot of components, cables, and screws that you'll want to keep track of. And having a large space will help you to stay more organized. Number 2. Failing to have an internet-connected device handy. It is important to access to the internet during your assembly or disassembly. Bakit? Una, kapag naka-access ka sa internet, makakatulong ito para masundan mo ang assembly or disassembly step-by-step tutorial. Second, if may problema ka, you just need to search it on Google or YouTube. Number 3. Disregarding cable management from the onset. Ito ang mga kadalasang problema kapag first time mag-assembly. When doing cable management, they simply disregarding it from the onset. They only focus on hooking everything up and getting it running. Number 4. Ignoring components manuals. It is important that you are familiar with the building process. At ang ways para dyan ay basahin ang manuals ng mga components. Motherboard's manual is the most important kasi ituturo nito kung saan at paano ilalagay ang mga components. Number 5. Failing to install motherboard stand-offs. Motherboard stand-offs are made of brass and keep your motherboard from coming in contact with your case and preventing your motherboard from shorting. Make sure na install ang motherboard stand-offs para hindi ma-short at masira ang iyong motherboard. Number 6. Careless handling of CPU and other components. Para sa mga first-timer, you need to be careful with your processor. If you don't handle them with care, the processor can get bent. And if severe enough, it will render your entire system useless. Be extra careful also when handling your motherboard and GPU. Number 7. Installing ROM the wrong way. Ang problemang ito ay madaling iwasan, pero kailangan natin maging aware para hindi natin accidentally ma-force ang ROM in backwards. While getting your ROM, take some gentle pressure to get your ROM to click into place. Number 8. Forgetting to plug all cables in. If you fail to plug in all of the cables, your system won't turn on. So make sure everything is plugged in and settled correctly. Number 9. Installing fans in the wrong direction. If the fan in the front is pushing air towards the back, but the fan in the back is installed to push air towards the front, your system won't be getting proper airflow and will see higher temperature because of it. So you need to make sure that real fans pointed in the same direction. Number 10. Working on the computer while it's turned on. Don't plugging things in it or working on it while turned on, because you could seriously damage your components via static elasticity.